yet, but once this gets set a little bit, okay, maybe at this stage I can put my foot on, because I need to rest my socket on my shin. And I got to pretend when I'm drilling the fireboard, I got to pretend that a needle through my knee right there lines up with my drill. I can be up there at the door and I'm looking, I can critique. If it's going all over the place, you've got to resolve that issue first. I'm probably not going to have any string in there very straight. That probably will do. And now we have to not mar that if we can, which means putting that in there at 90 degrees. I like Ardox nails because it gives you the idea you got a drill right off the bat. Wouldn't be sorry. Who's got a bow that you can hand me? Let's drill, and then you can play around drilling your own bow. So here I'm looking there, and I put that maybe in the crack. Put this in here, and this is light work compared, so I can maybe kneel on that, or even hold it like this. So again, hold it by the string, point that upward, reach over, get both hands involved, roll it into place, hold it like so, and try to center it on the... Boy, I'm glad I have the policy. Or maybe even do this. You ever see Eskimos drilling? They hold the socket in their teeth?
Yeah.
You, as a normal non-Inuit, can't do that.
They use the pump drill, eh?
Because they'll hold it.
They do the pump drill.
Their teeth go like this. Our teeth go like this or like this. And because our teeth go like this, we'll loosen our teeth or find it very awkward. But they
use your spear?
It doesn't sound very nutritious. I out-ladled it actually.
You see, I didn't achieve precise middle, and so as a result there will be, well, you'll manage to struggle through. When you make it, you perhaps will resolve that. And I think maybe I should use a smaller bit. I'm creating an awfully big hole there. This is too broad a bit. Maybe I can adjust it somehow if I find a rock. There's a rock I see embedded in the... You won't drill, board and drill this way. You have it on. I'm just getting too old to...